Dear formulators, today I'm talking to you about base Lanette cream, a base widely used in compounding and cosmetics and often formulated with somewhat conflicting active ingredients in terms of compatibility, such as hydroquinone, salicylic acid, azelaic acid, coal tar, etc. This base, honestly, is an emulsion with high consistency, moderate evanescence and suitable spreadability. The emulsion contains Lanette, composed of sulfated fatty alcohols among others, which act as an emulsifier, facilitating emulsification when adding the corresponding water at a temperature between 70 to 75 degrees Celsius. Lanette wax is therefore a self-emulsifying base. This type of base Lanette cream is easy to make, but it has the drawback of being incompatible with salts and cationic surfactants. It is frequently used in the formulation of depigmenting agents due to its high stability. Thank you very much for your attention and see you in the next video.